Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you a fall night routine, and I'm gonna share with you some fall recipes, dinner recipe, dessert recipe, and then some quality time with Johnny, of course. And then we can't forget the Zoey as well. Gotta have clips of the Zoey because she really is the star of the show, right? So if that sounds like something you're interested in seeing, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting my night a little earlier than usual because I really wanted to make apple crisp for dessert. So I wanted to make this first before I make dinner, so that way as soon as we're done eating dinner, the dessert is already ready. So I'm gonna be doing an apple crisp with a bunch of apples, some lemon, we got sugar, brown sugar, oats, and cinnamon. Of course, we gotta have cinnamon. I will have the exact recipe in the description box for you guys if you want to copy it. This was my first time trying it out, and the recipe was actually really good, really easy to follow, and it wasn't too sweet. So if that sounds like a dessert you're into, definitely give this a try. But I just thought that warm apples with cinnamon was just like the perfect fall treat. And I really liked that with this recipe, you didn't need to use a pie crust. So you literally just add the apples with the sugar and cinnamon mixture and then top it with the brown sugar and oats for that nice crispy crunch at the top, and then bake it. So it's super, super easy. So at 5 p.m., that's when I like to start dinner for Johnny and I. And lately I have been using HelloFresh, but I'm not actually using their website or subscription service. I'm literally just following their recipes online. They have the ingredients, so you can just go to the grocery store and buy it yourself. So this isn't sponsored, clearly, because I'm not using it. I'm just kind of using their recipe. So I decided to follow one of their recipes because it had maple syrup in it. It also had cranberries and then allspice seasoning. And I just thought those three were just such a fall ingredient. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make Johnny a really nice fall dinner. And here's a little spoiler alert. Didn't really turn out that well. So this particular HelloFresh recipe I wouldn't recommend, but I've had better luck with some of their other recipes. This one in particular, it wasn't a hit for us. The salad was good, a little simple, but it was that chicken. That chicken was, you'll see at the end when Johnny shares his reaction. But here is my plate with the salad and potatoes, which was really good. And then, oh, here's the little Zoey. She is so stinking cute. I can't get over it. I'm gonna go ahead and play a movie while we eat dinner, and we're gonna watch The Addams Family. When I think of fall movies, I think of all the fun Halloween movies. I don't watch scary movies, like I'm not into that. So The Addams Family, that's as scary as we're gonna get, okay? And to bring in some of the fall vibes, I have this black pepper and balsam candle from Everspring, which you can find at Target, and oh my gosh, it smells so stinking good. So lit the candle, got the movie playing, and we are eating our fall dinner. Yum, yum, yum. And now it's time for dessert. Check out our apple crisp. Looks so delicious. Top it off with some vanilla ice cream and caramel drizzle and whipped cream. I bought whipped cream to top it off with whipped cream, but I just forgot to add it. But there is our dessert. So, so yummy. And by this time it is 7 o'clock and it's time to feed my little walrus. She eats at 7 p.m. her dinner at the same time every single day. And so while she's eating, we're finishing up our dessert, and then we are just gonna finish up the rest of the movie. We don't always watch movies like all the way to the completion, like we don't complete movies, because we actually have to get ready for bed pretty early because Johnny has to wake up early for work, and I just wake up with him when he wakes up early. So around 8 p.m., that's when Johnny will go ahead and shower and get ready for bed, and I'll go ahead and clean up the kitchen from dinner and just like clean up the dishes and all that kind of stuff. And this doesn't take me too long at all. Really takes me like 5-10 minutes to do. And ta-da, we got a clean kitchen. And so while I'm waiting for Johnny to get out of the shower, I'll go ahead and read a little bit. And right now, my fall book for this season is Midnight Sun, which is so nostalgic. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I'll try to read as much as I can until I get distracted by Zoey, which is very common. I get distracted by her so easily. She's just so cute. So once Johnny's out of the shower, I will go ahead and take a shower. and now I'm done. I normally don't have to do this part, but when I got out of the shower, I got a little scared looking at my face because I forgot I was wearing makeup. So I am going to go ahead and take off my makeup right now with the Derma E Makeup Removing Balm. And I get a lot of messages asking about like what skincare I do, and you guys, I'm so simple. I really don't fuss with my skincare. I'm just adding a little bit of face oil. This one is from Pixi. I always switch it up, either Pixi or Derma E. Those are like the top two that I've been using. I just love a good face oil, and as long as I have that, I don't really need anything else. So I'll just apply that to my face and my neck and we're good to go. That's literally it for my skincare, you guys. And now it's time to brush my teeth, and I'm using a new toothpaste. This is from Native, and I am so excited because Johnny and I are both really enjoying this toothpaste, and it is so hard for me to get Johnny to like a natural toothpaste. And so I'm so happy that he likes Native. We are obsessed with their deodorant, so I just wanted to try their toothpaste as well. And I'm so happy that he loves it. Now I'm applying moisturizer to my skin. Eucalyptus scented body lotion is a must. It is the best scent in the world. You like eucalyptus, I die for. It's so good. And now I'm moisturizing my lips with Mint and Argan Lip Balm from the Grove Collaborative. And then my neck was a little tense this particular day, so I'm taking some China Gel. If you have not tried China Gel, you are missing out. Go to Amazon right now and order you some China Gel because it's so good. It's way better than Icy Hot, way better than Tiger Balm. It feels amazing. So I'm just massaging my neck right now, and then make sure you wash your hands afterwards because if you touch your eyes, they will burn. Like this stuff will sting your eyes. So go wash your hands, and I'm using a Ever Spring hand soap that I got from Target. This particular scent, the vanilla and mold citrus, it's a little subtle, so this scent I wouldn't really recommend. But the candle one that I showed you earlier, the black pepper and balsam, go get that scent. It's so amazing. And the last thing I do before I call it a night is, of course, express Zoey. If you guys, any of you watching, are new to my channel, I'll leave a link in the cards if you guys want more information on why I have to express her and all that kind of stuff. So after that, it's time to clean up her toys, tuck her into bed, and say goodnight. Look at all her toys. I definitely need to get her a bigger toy box ASAP. Good night, my little Zoey. So cute. This is her little bedroom space. So once she's laying down in bed, I will go ahead and join Johnny in bed, and by this time it is 9 o'clock. Told you we go to bed early. Thank you guys for watching. Now here's some bloopers. No, come on, baby, normal. Baby, normal.
say, show teeth.
Show teeth. Ew, they're dirty. Does it taste like fall to you?
It does, because there's just cinnamon in here. It's weird.
And maple syrup.
Totally weird. How is it, mamas?
Very good.
Where's your chicken?
I don't eat chicken.
Where's your sweet chicken? Your sugary sweet chicken.
Sugary?
Did it. Go!
Dropped on the floor.